But Kunal, let's take it across to you as well. Any chartbuster that you're spotting in an otherwise quiet market?
Yeah, I think Poonawalla Fincorp is something which has come back towards a very strong support zone in terms of technical chart structure. So this is the charts over the last 2 years. This red line which you can see is the 200-day moving average. And we've seen that over the last 2 years, there have been multiple occasions where the stock has gone through a correction. And the correction somehow has halted just around this 200 DMA, which has acted as a major support for the stock price. This also coincides with the fact that on the indicators, that's on the RSI gets into the oversold territory. So we've seen this was in 2022 start when the stock was almost at 200 to 25 zone. The stock took multiple support at this 200 DMA as well as oversold nature of indicators. This was in end of 2022 when the stock had retested the 200-day moving average, and then from here the stock bounced back and got into a very strong uptrend. This was in mid of 2023 where the stock was almost at 250 levels, and currently the stock, which is almost at the 350 mark, has again done a very similar kind of a chart retracement, retraced back towards its 200-day moving average. The indicators entering into the oversold territory. So this makes the trade and the risk reward attractive over here for medium-term investors. If you look at the previous instances, we've seen at least a 10 to 15% upside into the stock price. So from this 350 odd levels, we could be looking at 400 as a nominal target for the stock over the next 3 odd months.
Right, and Kunal, any individual stocks you're recommending?
So two buy calls. Piramal Pharma is something which is popping up on the charts, almost a V-shaped recovery for the stock, trading about 110 levels. So would suggest a buy with 122 as a target, stop loss at 108. And PNB is the other stock which I would recommend as a buy. Did the same yesterday as well. Targets of 82 for the stock and stop loss at 70.
Okay, point taken. So PNB is the other one on the radar. Just one